Where do you go when you try to find God? Some people go to temples, others prefer to embrace the challenge of searching for Him in scrolls or symbols. But where does He live? Past legends mention of Him living in physical places, like on a specific mountain, in a volcano, or in a talisman. Modern beliefs are saying that He lives in a non-physical realm under different names, generic called in the sky. Is this actually a transition of our understanding of God? Do we start to realize that we live both in a physical and non-physical realm at the same time? But why do we search for Him anyway? Is it because we are aware of our complexity, and therefore there's got to be something bigger than us, who created us, since we didn't build ourselves? Is it because by searching for God, we fulfill the need of searching for answers, searching for us? A natural process of evolution, since we don't know precisely what's the deal with us here. Many times we get stuck in the process of searching for answers just because we embrace a conclusion which in general is not generated by us, but sounds good. The mind is restless when there are no statements, and yet an explanation can prevent you from keep searching for answers. I don't think God is hidden somewhere beyond our reach. Deaf people, they cannot hear the sound, but it doesn't mean that the sound is not happening around them. So I'm asking you now, where do you think you hear the sound? Is it outside or within yourself? It might be that God lives within yourself, but because we focus on small details, we miss the bigger picture. The level of awareness of each one of us is different, and it might be correlated with the spiritual journey that we experienced so far. Based on this, some people seem to be closer to God than others, giving us the false impression that He loves some people more than others. I don't think God has VIP doors. Once you are ready, you will be welcomed as you deserve, because you have God within.